Everyone is conflicted when they're asked what they think is the best credit card, right? Well, this is a question that many of us are trying to figure out. There are plenty of credit cards to choose from, and some are definitely better than others. So choosing the right one can be tricky. And so today, we'll look at the 5 best credit cards for 2022. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest credit card news for you to keep up to date with. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more insightful and amazing content. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. And so, without further ado, let's start with today's video. The Blue Cash Preferred from American Express. The Blue Cash Preferred credit card is no doubt one of the best credit cards for daily expenditure. It covers groceries, gas, streaming, as well as transit. While it does have a yearly fee of $95, it is waived for the first year. Also, its cashback rate for groceries is so strong that most consumers will hardly notice the fee. You can spend as little as $1,600 on grocery every year to earn $96, which is enough to cover its annual fee. However, cardholders will earn much more after accounting for the card's gas as well as other streaming rewards. Moreover, while the card is restricted to earning 5% cash back at U.S. supermarkets, taking out Walmart, Target, and Costco, an easy workaround is to purchase gift cards from any other retailers at the grocery store. This way, you can redeem that high 5% cashback rate with more than only grocery stores. Furthermore, with the cost of everyday goods on the rise, having a credit card which earns a pretty strong rate for both gas and groceries, and also for something that can help consumers relax a bit, such as streaming services, could go a long way. And its further advantages are that it offers 5% cash back at U.S. supermarkets and for selected United States streaming services. It has a 3% cash back for gas. Also, the annual fee is waived for the first year. And it also has a 0% intro APR offer for new purchases for 12 months. The U.S. Bank Altitude Connect. Now with gas prices rising across the world, earning a return on gas spending is more important than ever. And even though it does have a $95 annual fee, luckily it's waived for the first year. Each and every point on this credit card is almost worth 1 cent and can be redeemed for statement credits, which means that the credit card essentially earns 4% cash back at gas stations. And so if you end up spending $2,500 annually on gas, you'll earn $100 back, which covers this fee. And while this might sound and seem steep, with record-breaking gas prices, it wouldn't be surprising to see even higher annual spending levels. For instance, according to Yardeni research, a U.S. household could spend more than $5,000 on gas this year. And spending $5,000 in gas with the U.S. bank card would equal $200 back. And in addition to strong gas rewards, the card earns a good rate for hotels and rental cars, dining, groceries, as well as multiple streaming services. So it's more than just a one-trick pony. It's also issued as a Visa signature, which means it has an excellent selection of valuable perks and an annual $30 streaming credit to cover some of your binge-watching needs. Moreover, the benefits these credit cards offer are up to 4 times points per dollar for gas. The yearly fee is waived for the first year, a $30 yearly streaming credit, Visa signature perks, as well as global entry or TSA pre-check application fee credit. The Platinum Card from American Express. It's quite hard not to think of the Platinum Card from American Express when we're considering the best travel credit cards and the few credit cards that can compete with its nearly unparalleled advantage offering. However, the Platinum Card from American Express should only be considered by the traveler who travels routinely, as it has a yearly fee of $695. And with that being said, it also comes equipped with a staggering number of annual credits that effectively lower the yearly fee to a much more manageable number. That's another reason why the average traveler shouldn't consider it. You'll only get the actual value from the card so long as you take advantage of everything it offers. While the credit card does have extremely good travel rewards, the true draw is its benefits. And in addition to a vast array of travel protections, including travel accident insurance, baggage insurance, rental car insurance, as well as trip delay insurance, and the Platinum Card has several yearly credits, which includes $200 hotel credit, a $200 incidental airline fee credit, a $240 digital entertainment credit, a $189 Clear credit, a $155 Walmart credit, as well as a global entry or TSA pre-check application fee credit, just to name a few. Moreover, if you can utilize those credits each year, it would more than cover the yearly fee. There's also the complimentary elite status it offers with Marriott Bonvoy and the Hilton, as well as the access to the most extensive collection of airport lounges through the Global Lounge Collection membership. Furthermore, there is plenty of value to be had here for the frequent traveler. The main pros of this credit card from Amex are that it offers multiple annual credits, strong travel protection, and a number of good rewards. The Chase Sapphire Preferred. With its high welcome bonus as well as flexible redemption options and its lucrative rewards program, it's pretty easy to see why this is a good choice for a rewards card. And while it is geared towards travel, cardholders will indeed see a good return on their spending after taking full benefit of what it offers. One of its main features are its one-to-one transfer rate to Chase travel partners and a 25% redemption bonus when getting the rewards for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Also, it's worth noting that each point is typically worth 1 cent, but if you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards, that'll be bumped up to $1.25. But at the same time, if you transfer your points to one of Chase's travel partners, then you can find an even higher per-point value. Now, if you can find the right transfer deal, Chase Ultimate Rewards points could be worth 1.5 cents or more each. And with its 5 times points for travel booked by using the Chase Ultimate Rewards, the 3 times points for dining as well as streaming, and 2 times points for all other travel, this would mean the credit card earns the equivalent of around 7.5%, 4.5%, as well as 3% cash back for those categories respectively. Chase's travel partners include JetBlue, United, Southwest, World of Hyatt, as well as the Marriott Bonvoy. It even offers a one-to-one transfer rate, a 25% redemption bonus through Chase Ultimate Rewards, as well as a 5 times points for travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 times points for dining and streaming, and 2 times for all other travel. The Chase Inc. Business Credit Card. You can consider this card if you're a small business owner looking for a way to earn a return on a few business-related expenses. It earns around 5% cash back for popular business categories including the internet, office supplies, and cable, as well as phone services. And it even has a lucrative welcome bonus and offers rewards on gas and dining. It's a pretty good option for a business that spends across several different categories. It's also quite simple as well as rewarding at the same time, and even comes with an intro of 0% APR offer for new purchases, and then 13.49% to 19.49% variable. Moreover, it also features free employee cards and a selection of travel and shopping protection. Moreover, it's simple and rewarding. Lucrative welcome bonus, you get a 5% cash back for business expenses and a 2% cash back for gas and dining, and there are no annual fees. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Which credit card do you think caters to all your needs? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be kept up to date with the most exciting content. Thanks so much for watching. See you again soon in another video.